Looks like PVC piping.
A PVC pipe airbox?
Yes.
Oh. That looks pretty janky. You can find us at your local Lowe's. What up?
What up? Hey, it's just excuses this morning is all I'm hearing.
Oh, there's tons of excuses.
So what's going on? Nobody really filmed anything.
What's up, people of the vlog? We are on our way to Spirit JP drift event at Richmond Raceway. Ed and I got up early and we are ready to do some drifting. You ready? Ready, Freddie?
So ready.
We got the 180. Ed's car was doing some funkiness with how the tune was, so he's not driving that today. He's actually driving the purple 180 that Chris was going to drive. Chris is not driving it because he has bronchitis.
Yep.
Sorry, Chris.
Sorry, and thank you.
Yeah. So we'll get some more footage when we get to the track.
Yeah.
What happened?
So, Chris's car that he drifted all last event does not have a two-way in it. Has 1.5-way in it.
It was all a lie.
So, he did great considering he drifted it and, like, made it work. Because I tried for 2 sessions yesterday, like, hot lapping sessions.
Mm-hmm.
And I spun out all the time. Just constantly.
So
I couldn't figure out how to drive it, and I wasn't going to continue to try to learn.
Yeah.
Risk messing it up.
Was there many people there?
Yeah, it was a good amount of drivers. It was a lot of fun. It looked like a great time, you know, but, yeah. My car's broken. Chris's car is undriftable.
So how long did y'all stay? Y'all stay long?
We stayed till like 3.
Oh.
Just pissing away gas money.
Right.
Whatever.
Yeah, it is.
Just money. It's only what I'm here for. You know, whatever.
CJ, let's talk about this sunburn you got going. Was it hot?
Sunburn? I like it. So
got like the mask sunburn.
Please. Sun bleached.
So I forgot my shades, so I had to buy some shades. I think these are girl shades. And I was wearing a hat. A nice, comfortable drivermotorsports apparel hat. It's beautiful.
It's dirty.
It's dirty. But look at the burn line. Goes all the way across there. From here down is all red.
You ready? Hold on.
Look at the back of my neck.
Oh God.
Burnt,
Man.
burnt. The banners look really sweet though.
Really? Where'd y'all put those at?
Everywhere.
Like everywhere. We put 3 banners, like one on the back wall, one on the the front wall.
Not on the wall that got smashed.
Yeah.
Like 4 barriers up from that one.
Yeah, real shit. We thought it got smashed.
Does it look like is it in the same spot and everything? Yeah. It's probably the same. Same shape. Well, what other shapes have you seen oil filters, Ed?
I think a square one full.
Square one.
No, I haven't never seen.
See a triangle one?
Yeah, triangle one for rotaries.
I've seen triangle ones after I squished the crap out of it trying to get it off.
CJ, what you doing, man?
Finishing this soarer.
I see some.
I'm gonna do my thing and help him out. You know what I'm saying?
I was about to say this is Ed was doing this the other day. Now you're doing it.
Yeah, I got a laundry list of crap I gotta do. You know?
Well, this is cars, not laundry, buddy. So get your butt over here.
Exactly. So this comes up here. Alright, and then this line is actually gonna go down onto here. So, in order to make this work, the quadrilateral of this has to go in there. With a math force 3.14 times 5 is the math.
I knew that I had an oil filter cutter somewhere.
Wait, what is this?
Y'all ever cut an oil filter before? You're gonna learn today.
Oil filter cutter.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I've never done it before either, as long as you're honest.
We're gonna learn together.
We're gonna learn together.
Yay.
I feel like I'm gonna make a freaking mess too.
But what is the sole purpose of this? I don't understand.
This is so you can check the filter, see if there's any metal in it.
Oh, smart.
Yeah. Because if you just take a sawzall to the filter, I mean, you're gonna get metal in it, you know?
And it can open up tuna cans.
It's true.
Look, it's like these snow tires on this thing.
Some Blizzaks.
Half of them look like it's a snow tire. Go ahead.
Hey, buddy.
Come here.
Hold on, man. I'm doing something for the camera.
There you go, buddy.
Hey, here we go, Josh. Check the section.
Yeah, nothing really sticks out.
That's good news.
That is good news. CJ, my DJ.
CJ, my BJ. What?
Half price this week only. Looks like PVC piping.
A PVC pipe airbox?
Yes.
Oh. That looks pretty janky. You can find us at your local Lowe's.
What I got right there. See that?
What is
Can't
that?
get that custom work everywhere.
Oh, the bolt,
You know.
closing the hole.
Yep.
Look at it. Look how goofy it is.
Just look at it.
Yeah, why is it like long and hanging?
It's goofy, man. Look, and they still got the kingpin and the R32 head in it.
Look, man, they don't need suspension to float.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Boat jokes.
Don't like the boats. What you think? Pretty clean overall?
Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all.
These are your spots you generally have to look for rust for on any of these R chassis.
It's right
All up
there.
in here, yeah. Because stuff will just sit behind these mud flaps.
Yeah.
This looks really good though.
All right, so take two on this whole boost issue with the soarer. Hopefully we're gonna build some boost today. I don't know.
Is this take two?
Yeah, because first, well,
Take three? Take four?
well, first time me and Ed went out and it wasn't boosting, so we're gonna see if it's gonna work this time.
So y'all going to Jersey Mike's too?
What?
Is that where I should take this test drive?
All right. So we got tricked into going to Jersey Mike's.
I don't know how that happened. I was just going for a test drive. Next thing you know, oh, I'm going to Jersey Mike's.
Yeah. Well, at least we can give it a good old test.
Yup.
Off to Jersey Mike's.
Look, it's the only JDM vehicle that has a cup holder.
Got Jersey Mike's. Shout out to you guys. We love a sponsor from you guys. That would be awesome.
That would be amazing.
That would be really amazing. If you're
love
watching this,
Jersey
if you're watching this Jersey Mike's, get us some subs.
Help us out, Mike.
Yeah, right.
I am.
Got freaking birds in the shop. Get out of here.
You're not here, kid.
So if you guys didn't know, this is the all new 300ZX T-top, no hatch from Maximum Airflow.
Maximum airflow.
But why is this off though, Ed?
Alright, so we're gonna get the spoiler repainted and get rid of the stock spoiler because it has the Gretty spoiler on it. So we're gonna get that repainted. The stock spoiler is like the foam type thing, and it's cracking, and the paint shop advised us that it's not gonna end up going very well if we try to repaint it.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna 8.6 that. We're getting the front bumper repainted. Gonna get this little T-top section repainted. So you know, just take that out and have them redo that. Just a little spray paint, you know. I'm just kidding. So seeing we're ditching the factory spoiler, we're gonna get these holes shaved,
Ew.
and then I'm gonna get the
Yucky.
little factory piece that goes right here, and then there's the Gretty spoiler and the Gretty front bumper.
Nice. We're gonna get that black stuff
Yeah,
off
we're
of
gonna
there.
get all that fixed.
Yeah, we got a full shop. Get all the cars everywhere. So it's your dream car, man.
That is my dream car. I would literally sell anything I had to be able to own one of these. Like, since I was 14 years old, I wanted an R33 GTST or a GT25. But God, dude, like my heart is like, man, like I've never seen an R33 in person. This thing,
We'll sell it to you, man.
trust me, if I had the money, I'd drive it out here right now.
All right, so I just want to take a quick second to thank each and every one of you for watching our YouTube videos. We put a lot of time, a lot of work into these cars, and we appreciate everything, so keep watching. We're at the big 2200, hoping to push on even further than that someday, but tell everybody about us. Also, open house is going to be May 4th, 2 to 7. Please be here. Don't miss it. We're going to end it here today, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Peace.